how to stream Netflix on Discord black screen fix. So please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So what you would do first here is go to the three dots and go to settings. Once you are in the settings, you can search here hardware. So turn off hardware acceleration. And for Discord, we will be doing the same thing. So just go to the user settings of your Discord. Click on advanced in the settings. So here is advanced and hardware acceleration. Disable it by unchecking it. Okay, so this will relaunch your Discord. So once Discord is relaunched, go to your user settings again, and we will go to registered games. So this is not registered games is here, and then here we must click on add list. Just click on Google Chrome and then you're done. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.